Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring Iran's hidden gems by car, driving all the way from Tehran to Shiraz. In this video, you'll embark on a road trip from Tehran to Shiraz as we uncover the hidden gems of Iran along the way. Many travelers stick to the popular tourist spots, missing out on the unique experiences and stunning landscapes that Iran has to offer. While Persepolis and the ancient city of Isfahan are must-visit destinations, there's so much more to this incredible country. From pristine natural wonders to vibrant cultural hubs, Iran has a wealth of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. By taking the road less traveled, you'll get to experience the authentic Iran, one that's full of surprises and excitement. When you venture off the beaten path, you'll find yourself immersed in unforgettable encounters with the locals, taste buds ignited by flavors you've never known, and camera lenses filled with breathtaking vistas. When people think of Iran, they often think of ancient ruins, mosques, and bustling bazaars. But there's a whole other side to this country that's just as fascinating. From the majestic Caspian Sea coastline to the vast desert landscapes of Yazd, every region in Iran has its own unique charm and character. By exploring these hidden gems, you'll get to see a more nuanced and multifaceted Iran, one that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. As you'll soon see, Iran's hidden gems are not just about visual wonders. They're also about the people, the culture, and the history that make this country so special. Whether it's a warm welcome from a local family, a tantalizing lesson in Persian cuisine, or a glimpse into the country's rich cultural heritage, every experience is a thread in the intricate tapestry of Iranian life. We'll explore several off-the-beaten-path locations, share local culture, cuisine, and breathtaking scenery that you'll encounter during your journey. The rolling hills of Kurdistan, the turquoise oases of Kerman, and the majestic mountains of Tabriz, each of these destinations holds a secret or two, waiting to be uncovered. As we drive through the Iranian countryside, you'll witness the dramatic shift in landscapes, from lush forests to arid deserts, each one more breathtaking than the last. Get ready to indulge in mouth-watering local delicacies, from fragrant kebabs to sweet pastries, and discover the rich traditions that make Iranian hospitality world-renowned. In the ancient city of Yazd, we'll delve into the world of Zoroastrianism, exploring the fire temples and ancient rituals that have been passed down through generations. In the desert city of Kerman, we'll marvel at the stunning architecture of the Ganjali Khan complex, a testament to the region's rich cultural heritage. And in the lush hills of Kurdistan, we'll discover the ancient Kurdish village of Pelangan, where tradition and modernity blend in perfect harmony. The highlight of the trip will be a visit to an extraordinary site or a captivating local story that perfectly encapsulates the beauty and richness of Iranian culture. Imagine walking through the majestic ruins of Persepolis at sunrise, the golden light casting an ethereal glow on the ancient stones. Or picture yourself in the vibrant city of Isfahan, surrounded by the stunning architecture of the Imam Square, one of the largest city squares in the world. These are the kinds of experiences that will leave you in awe, inspiring you to share your own stories and adventures with the world. As we drive through the Iranian countryside, we'll stumble upon hidden gems that will take your breath away. From the turquoise waters of the Lut Desert to the snow-capped peaks of the Elborz Mountains, every landscape is a testament to the country's diverse natural beauty. We'll hear the enchanting melodies of traditional Persian music, sample the sweet delights of local pastries, and marvel at the intricate craftsmanship of Iranian artisans. In the evenings, we'll sit down with local families, sharing stories and laughter as we delve into the country's rich cultural heritage. We'll try our hand at traditional Persian cooking, learning the secrets of fragrant stews and savory rice dishes. And as the stars twinkle above, we'll listen to the ancient tales of Persian mythology, our imaginations ignited by the fantastical stories of heroes and princes. As we wrap up, we'll recap the amazing places we've discovered and the cultural insights gained during this journey from Tehran to Shiraz. From the stunning natural landscapes to the unforgettable encounters with the locals, every moment of this trip has been a treasure trove of memories and experiences. If you enjoyed this adventure, be sure to check out our other travel videos and leave a comment about your favorite hidden gem in Iran.